art and action. I'm here at the 20th year of the Kala Ghoda Arts Festival in Mumbai. This 9-day cultural extravaganza is a complete combination of art, culture, cinema, theatre, music and much more. So let's go find out what's in store for us this year. It's very important to have your guide for the day handy, as you'll have a better idea about the shows and their timings, as they have something new and exciting planned for you every single day. Art junkies, they have these unique art installations, paintings, backdrops to freak out on. This is how Bombay looked like 100 years ago. This year being the 20th year, they have a great lineup of music, cinema and theatre that has screened at the Kala Ghoda Festival over the past 20 years. Stalls out here are a shopper's delight because a lot of budding entrepreneurs showcase their creativity through shoes, bags, clothes, jewelry, home decor and a lot more. Has a wide range of things to do, and when you're here with your kids, there are a lot of interesting activities, workshops that will keep them occupied, while you can go out there, explore and enjoy the events. The festival is a strong attraction for the youth and a great platform for emerging talent. The energy is fresh and vibrant, and also offers the right dose of art and entertainment for people from all kinds of age groups. Now I'm gonna go and explore more, but if you liked watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe to Curly Tales. This is Bianca Saurashri. See you next time.